Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to show you 5 websites that you can use from your smartphone to make free money online. So you don't need to pay any money. There's nothing that you have to promote. All you just need to do to spend 5 minutes of your time, 15 minutes of your time, 30 minutes of your time, you are going to be getting paid. So I want to recommend that this is not a get rich quick system. So you need to spend your time to be able to make money with this method. So let us head over to my smartphone right now and I will show you step by step how you can use these 5 websites or 5 apps to make free money online. You want to know how?
So guys, this is the first website, which is called Cashback. So this website, which is called Top Cashback, is a website that allows you to make money online for shopping online. Let me say you are shopping from your favorite brand like Adidas, Puma. You'll be getting paid in return. There's a multiple and bunch of brand that you can shop from and you are getting paid in return. So, and you can even make money by referring people to this program, and you can still make money by taking surveys, and you are getting paid with this website, which is called Top Cashback. So this website is available worldwide, if I'm not mistaken. And how to join this application is 100% free. You are not paying any money to join. And how you can get paid once you complete any task, you are going to be getting paid either direct into your bank account, or you can send the money into your paper account, or you can use it as a gift card. It just depends on how you want to use to redeem your money. So that is it. And to sign up is very simple. Enter your email here, enter your password, and click on join. Make sure you use my referral link in our description to be the first link. Click on it to join this application. So once you have joined, they will send you an email. Click on that email for your account to be verified. I'll say congratulations, you have your own account now. Then you can move to the step where you can go and start shopping from brand that is on the marketplace of Top Cashback, and you are getting paid in return. So let me log into my own account. So I will click on this section where it says sign in. So as you can see guys, this is the main dashboard. Once you log into your own account, so you can see I just log into mine. As you can see currently right now, I have $1.18, and I got that money from cashback. And as you can see, up to 15% to 12% cashback from different brands. As you can see, there is Nike here, there is Shop Disney, there is Engo. There is a lot of things that a lot of brand that you can find on this website, which is Top Cashback, and you can shop from them and you will get paid. Cashback is very simple. That is how it will work. And you can see you can see Dell here. Dell will give you 7.7% cashback plus. You can see what there is going to give. Going to give you 7.65% cashback, and monitors is going to give you 5.95% cashback, and desktop and laptop is going to give you 5.1% cashback, and it keeps on going. And if we go back to the home page again, you can find a bunch of websites. You can search for any favorite brand that you think about on your head, like search for them, and you can keep on making money with this website. And you can install Top Cashback Chrome extension on your browser, and you'll be getting paid for installing their Chrome extension. Because let me say you are shopping from any website like AliExpress, and you just need to click on that Top Cashback Chrome extension, and it will automatically connect your Top Cashback account and that brand that you are shopping from, and you will get cashback in return for just doing that. So it's very simple. If I click on this session here, when I click on this session, let us say I click on earnings. Once I click on earnings, you will see how much I've made, and you can see AliExpress, Uber, AliExpress. So that is how I got this money that you can see here. So this is how much I make so far. As you can see, say payable, which is $1.18, and that is how much I have currently on my own account. And if I go up again now here, and I click on this icon, let us say I click on payout here, it's going to take us to this session. So you find your total balance here. So like I said guys, you find your balance here, and you can see how you can receive your money. You can receive your money either by gift card, or you can receive your money either by bank transfer, or you can receive your money either by PayPal. So you have 3 options to receive your money if you have the minimum amount of cashing out. So once you have the minimum amount of cashing out, then you can cash out your money to your preferable payment method. So that is how you can That is how you can cash out your earnings. And you know now. So the next thing, what you have to do here, how you can still make money with the program, is the referral program. Like I told you, if you see this section where I say tell a friend, which is the referral program, if I click on this section here, it's going to open the referral program now. So as you can see here, you can see that $25 for referring people to this program. So that is why you need to use my referral code, my referral link in the description. Use it to be the first link. Use it to sign up on this website, and you will get this amount, which is $25 for me referring you, and I will get $25. So that is it, guys. So go and sign up with this website. The link will be in the description below. And another way you can make money with this website, so the way is that when you come here, you click on this icon here, and you click on this section where you say browser extension. Once I click on the browser extension here, it's going to open here. So what you need to do, you need to install this browser extension. If I click on it now, it will be installed. So once it's installed, you will find it at the top of your website here. If I click on this icon here, once I click on this icon, you will have to look for cashback. Top cashback extension. You need to look for your top. You can see it here. This is my top cashback extension. That is what you can see here, is this logo here, and that is it. So once you install this, anytime you are shopping online, this icon will pop up telling you that this website will allow you to get cashback. That is how it works. It's very simple, and I hope you understand that. And if you click on the section where you say offers, if I click on offers now, it's going to open, and here you are going to find a top offers that pay a high cashback. As you can see, this website, which is called Skypack, will pay you 32% cashback. It keeps on going. You can see a bunch of websites here that will pay you cashback unlimitedly. So you can find a lot of websites here that you can get cashback from. So that is how you can make money with this website, which is called Top Cashback. Let us move to the second website. So as you can see, this is the second website that will allow you to make money or watch video or complete tasks. As you can see, this website, which is called grabpoints. Grabpoints will allow you to watch videos, answer questions, which is taking surveys, completing offer, which is downloading application, entering your email, you are getting paid in return. To how to use this application, first you need to register. Click on the second link in the description, enter your email, your password, confirm your password, click on sign up, and you are good to go. So I'm going to log into my account and show you around. So once you log into your account, this is how the dashboard look, and you can choose which of the websites you want to follow through and take surveys, and you are getting paid in return. So all these websites you can see here, all of them are companies that is partnering with GrabPoints, and when you take survey through those websites, they are going to pay you on your GrabPoints account. As you can see, I have 1,000 currently on my own account, and that is how you can make money. How to start? You just need to click on any one. Let me say I want to take surveys here. I will just click on it. Once I click on get start here, it's going to redirect me to another page here. This session, I'm going to start taking surveys, and if I complete the survey, I will get paid. As you can see, 100-point survey. All I just need to do is to follow through the question, and once I complete it, I will get paid for just completing the task. That is how it works. Let us go back to the home page here. And another way you can make money is the referral program. If I click on here we say refer and earn, this session you can refer your friend to this program, and you are going to be getting paid. So that is how it works. How you can get your money is the reward session. See this reward session, click on gift card and cash. If I click on gift card and cash here, so it's going to pop up bunch of ways. You can see PayPal, Amazon, and other payment methods that you can use to redeem your money from this website once you have the minimum amount of cashing out. So that is everything that you can use to make money with this website, which is called GrabPoints. Let us move to the third website. So guys, this is this third website, which is called hideouttv. hideouttv is a website that allows you to watch videos. You watch videos, and in return you are getting paid for watching video. You can watch 2 minutes to 3-minute video, and you'll be getting paid every time you complete any task. So how to redeem your money on hideouttv is very, very simple. You just need to follow the step by step, or you can watch this video that will pop up right now to learn how you can withdraw your money and learn know more about this website, which is called hideouttv, and make money with it, and how you can cash out. you can watch this video that is popping up right now. So the fourth website that you can use to make money online is one of the let me call this one of the simplest website that you can start using right now and make good amount of money from, which is this website, which is called Earnably. Earnably is a website that pays you for your time. It pays you to complete a task. It pays you to watch videos. It pays you to take surveys. It pays you to do anything. It pays you to download the application. So what you have to do is to click on this section where it says sign up. Once you click on sign up, what is going to happen here is that you are going to enter you can choose if you want to register right now. So to register, the link to register will be in the description below. It will be the fourth link. Click on it, enter your email, your username, your password, your phone number, accept their terms and conditions, accept if you want to be receiving occasional email from them, and you click on sign up and your account will be created. Once your account is created, you have to click on the section where it says login instead. So once you click on login instead, you are going to click on login, enter your username and password, and you have to log in. They will send you an email to verify that it's you that is trying to log into your account. I will enter my code now. So as you can see, I just logged into my own account, and like it just worked like the third website. Is it the third or the second website, which is grabpoints? And as you can see, what you can do here is to take survey from different websites here. So those are brands that you can take surveys from. If I click on, let me say for example, I want to use this website, which is called AdGate Reward. If I click on AdGate Reward here, so you will see that AdGate Reward will open, and AdGate Reward will give me options and ways that I can use to make money with Earnably. So as you can see, I can make money with Earnably by taking survey, downloading application. You can see you can choose the device that you want to use. I can say, okay, I want to use Android. I will just click on Android and click on register, and that is it. So all I just need to do is to look through and choose the apps or the survey I want to complete, and once I complete it, I will get that point credited into my Earnably account. That is how it works. It is very, very simple. And another way you can earn money with this website is the referral program. So you can refer people to this program and make money from it. You can make money with multiple ways with Earnably. More you are using Earnably, more you are discovering multiple ways that you can start using to make money with Earnably. So that is everything I need to talk about. So how you can redeem your money on Earnably, you click on redeem here. Once you click on redeem, it will show you multiple options that you can start using to redeem your money if you have the minimum amount of cashing out. You can see PayPal, Amazon, Apple, Spotify, Zalando, PlayStation Store, and a lot of other payment methods that you can see here. So that is it. That is how you can make money. You can even make money by watching video with Hideout TV. If you watch my full video that the video I talked about on Hideout TV session, you can know more about how you can watch videos and make money with Hideout TV. So that is it, and let us move to the fifth website of this tutorial, so which is this website that is called ysense. Ysense is a very simple website that works like other websites, and what you can do on ysense is, first thing, you need to register, enter your email. So to register on ysense, it will be the fifth link in the description. Click on it and follow up the instruction on how you can sign up, and you are good to go. So once you create your account, make sure you click on the email they sent to you for your account to be verified. So once your account has been verified, what you have to do is to follow the next step. So the first thing you have to do is to register. Once you have registered, you can start making money with survey. You can take surveys. You can like try some offers like downloading applications, say product and services, downloading apps, and sign up for a website, watch videos, and other more ways. And the third way you can make money with this website is the referral program, where you can refer people to this program and you will make 30% from them for life. You make 30% from them, anyone you refer to this program, as long as they are using this website, and you are going to be making money from them. So let me log into my own account. Let me show you around the website. So once you log into your own account, this is how it will look here, and this will be your referral link. You can start sharing it with your friends or family, and you will be making money. And you can see my lifetime balance here, and you can cash out your money into your PayPal account. If I click on cash out now, it will take me to the session where I'm going to enter my PayPal account, and I will receive the money that I have currently on my own account. So how to start making money with this website, which is called ysense? You can click on this session here. You can click on this session where it says complete surveys. Once you click on that session, it's going to take you to this session that you can see here, and all you just need to do is to start taking survey. You can see the survey that they are recommending for me, which you are going to take this survey of 29 minutes, and you are going to get $7.42 on your account. So take these surveys and you are going to get this amount that you can see. See, recommended for you, $7.41 offer. So that is it. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of offers that you can see. This offer is $7, $2 to 30 cents, $1. So it keeps on going, etc., etc. You can see a bunch of offers here that you can complete right now and make good amount of money from. You can see their daily pool that you can take. This pool, if you take it, you are going to be making 10 cents for completing each pool on this surveys. So that is it. And if you scroll down here, you'll find multiple ways that you can start using right now and make money from. They have the surveys that you can be doing every single time. Once you complete this 3 step-by-step survey, once you complete the 10-step question, you will get 2 cents for completing this 10 question. So that is it, guys. That is how you can make money with this website. If you click on offers here, you find other ways that you can click right now, like from other websites that I showed you. You can, let me say, want to use like Revu. If I click on Revu here, it's going to open Revu, and Revu is going to show us the options and ways that we can use right now to make money online with Revu. As you can see, the Revu I've opened. I'll click on Got It. All I just need to do is to look at what Revu is going to use to pay us for. You can see for using this website, which is this application, we are going to get 1,418 points, and that is it. It will be credited into your account once you complete the task. So that is how you can make money with this website. I don't have much details about this website and other ways that I showed you from the beginning, which is the affiliate program. If I click on the affiliate program here, you can start referring people to this website and you will get paid for referring people to this program. It's very simple as that. Like I told you, 30% recurring commission for referring people to this website, which is called ysense. So you can go and try this website out. Let me know what you think about this video that I made. So that is it, guys. So I'm going to end this video from here, and all I just ask from you is to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you think about this video. And if you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, you can watch this first video. If you want to learn how you can make money with crypto, you can watch the second video at the bottom. So I'll say thank you and see you on my next